These videos are AI generated using Seedance 2. So the question is, how do you access Seedance 2 for free? It's easy, friends. Keep watching this video until the end.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tekno Jenius. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Seedance 2 for free, and I'll cover 3 tools you can use.
But before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any more interesting information from us. Okay, let's start with the first tool, Dola AI. I actually explained Dola AI in a previous video. But to reassure you that this tool is free, I've created another one. Just open Dola AI. We'll start creating a video using a reference image. So, let's create the reference image directly in Dola AI. Here, you can adjust the settings, including the duration, ratio, and Seedance model. Okay, I'll try making a short drama. The first step is to create a reference character. Okay, that's for the character. Now let's just make a video. After creating the reference character, we should have created a storyboard. But to keep things short, I'll just do it. Okay, for the prompt, I'll use it like this. Just enter the character, then enter the prompt and click generate. Okay, here are the results. Let's move on to the second tool. The tool I use to access Seedance for free is CapCut. You just type CapCut in Google, then select the editor. Before we continue, I want to let you know that the CapCut generator is a one-time use tool. You'll be given 350 credits, and they must be used that day. Otherwise, the feature will be locked, and you will have to create a new account. Okay, let's move on. Take a look. Even though my credits are 0 here, there are 230 remaining credits in the Generate tab box. As I mentioned, these remaining credits can't be used for Seedance 2 because they're locked and were previously used in a video. So, I'll log in again with a different account. Now, before we generate the video, I'll create a different reference image from the one I created in GPT chat. Okay, here are the ingredients. Let's start using CapCut with Seedance 2. The method is the same as with other tools. Just enter the reference image and the prompt. You can adjust the settings. Okay, click Generate. And here's the result. Okay, let's move on to the last tool, Bytedance Lumina. The downside to this tool is that it gives a small number of credit points, but they can be reset every month. You can log in with your Gmail account. Okay, because it only gives a small amount of credit, it's enough to generate 1 or 2 videos. And to speed things up, I'll just create a text-to-video video without a reference image. We'll enter the prompt, then you can adjust the settings according to the credits. Click Generate. And here's the result.
Alright friends, here is an easy way to access Seedance 2 for free. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.